Hello, Cougars, and welcome to Physics. I am Mr. Franklin, and in this video, I want to give you a brief tour of how Canvas is going to work for us this term. So let's jump over to Canvas. This is usually what you will land on as your dashboard, and it'll have tiles with each of your classes or other Canvas courses that you're enrolled in. So this is Physics. So we're going to click on that tile. Should say Franklin Physics Q1 2022, and you should see something like this. Let me click a button here, and this is actually what you will see. Now, right now, this page is under construction because we haven't done some things. So once we get into some things, what you're going to notice is this page is going to start to open up, and there's going to be things for you to click on. So to get around in Canvas in my class, you can come in here and you can click on these shortcut buttons and find what you need. You can also use this navigation bar on the left. Now, if it's missing or hiding, you can click the little hamburger up here and it'll make it show up. So you can come up here and click the hamburger, and then you can see. The two most important things that for this class is you're going to pretty much want to click on modules all the time, and you're going to want to click on grades. There's going to be things in your to-do list. There's a calendar. There's all kinds of other information. But if there's going to be things that are not assignments that you still have to do, and it's complicated. So when we get there, we'll explain, but you're not going to see those over here necessarily. So you're going to always need to go to modules to kind of see what's going on for the day. So for this week, our modules are going to be organized by day. Okay, so we only have day one posted, and this has pretty much what we need for today, and it's kind of in order of what we're going to do in class. Underneath that are some class resources. So this links to the first page that we were on. This has some vocabulary. This is our first. Next week, we're going to learn these start learning these vocab words. And then here is your supplies for class link. Tomorrow, you will see a new module pop up, and the most current one we're working on will be at the very top. So whatever week it is, whatever day it is, that's going to be on top. Starting next week, we will organize these by week. So it'll be a weekly module. It'll have everything for the week that we're going to be doing. For the most part, there's going to be some things that we're going to do in class that won't show up in Canvas, but that's how you're going to look at it. So you're going to go to the module, and you will notice none of these top three pop up in your to-do list. So I click on that, and here is our objective. We're going to get to know this class and what the teacher is about. And here's a little bit about me. We're going to talk about that. If you scroll down to the bottom of a page, you can go to next. Okay, scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can go to next. So here is an example of an assignment that you're going to be doing. Okay, and you can click next. And now I need to turn in an assignment. So I can start the assignment. I've completed it. I've actually done it in Google Docs or Google Slides. I can export the file. We'll learn how to do that later. And then you're going to submit it here. And then you have to make sure you click submit. But now what you'll notice is when you post it, it will automatically grade to it'll give you half the points automatically. That's not going to stay there. I will change those points once I get in there and grade it. But if you're ever wondering, did I turn it in? Did I not? You will see a grade up here. And we'll talk more about that later. But you can check and see whether you submitted something up here. Okay, there's a lot more for us to learn about Canvas, but I hope that will get you started. So I will look forward to seeing you in class.